सो गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, इट्स गुड आफ्टरनून, आई बैग योर पार्डन, गुड आफ्टरनून गाइस। स्वागत है आज हमारे आपको इंटरव्यू सेशंस के अंदर। और आज जिनसे मैं आपको मिलवाने जा रहा हूँ, शी इज़ चंचल चंचल जहांगीर एंड शी हेल्स फ्रॉम जयपुर ओनली। कहानी कुछ यूँ है, जब पहली बार मेरे पास में आई थी तो इंग्लिश के रिगार्डिंग जो फियर था वो बहुत नेक्स्ट लेवल का था। जब मैंने इनसे नॉर्मल बात करनी चाही तो आई मीन शी वॉज नॉट एबल टू मेक एन आई कॉन्टेक्ट विथ मी, वो मुझसे नज़रें भी नहीं मिला पा रही थी। इज़ इट करेक्ट? और बाकी सारी बातें हम इनसे ही सुनेंगे। क्या ड्रीम्स हैं इनके, क्या पसंद है इनको, और अभी क्या लेवल है। 50% अभी इनका हो गया है इंग्लिश का, जो एक हम लोगों ने जो हासिल किया है 50% तक इनका हो गया है। सो बेसिकली यू कैन से शी हैज़ मेट हाफ वे, राइट? सो बाकी हम चंचल से ही सुनते हैं। ओवर टू यू चंचल। Say hi to our viewers.
Hello guys, I am Chanchal Langid and I hope you are hale and hearty. And now I would like to share my introduction. I am Chanchal Langid. I hail from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I did my 12th from the Lotus International School. Currently I am preparing for BTech. My father Mr. Hariram Jangid and he is a doctor. My mother Mrs. Babita Jangid and she is a doctor too. I am the only child of my parents. If I would talk about my hobbies, I am fond of dancing and listening to music. I have a dream to witness myself in Germany. As far as I'm concerned, that's all about my introduction. Thanks for listening to me so carefully.
Excellent, Chanchal.
Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Chanchal, same questions like who told you about us? How did you get to know about my institute?
So I got to know about this institute from my brother. He's your old student, and now he's speaking fluent English. So I thought he can speak English easily, so I can't. So I asked him to where is the institute, and he told me about this institute. Then I joined this institute. Now I am become very fluent in English.
Now you can talk to anyone.
Yeah, sir, I can talk easily in English.
Okay.
Over to you, sir.
So, Chanchal, what do you want to be in life? Like, what do you want to become in life?
I want to become an engineer in life because it's my and my mother dream to become an engineer, and engineer is my dream from childhood. That engineer can I get job from anywhere easily, and for engineering I want to go at Germany.
You want to go to Germany?
Yes, sir, I want to go to Germany
Why
because
have you chosen Germany only?
Germany is very famous for engineering, and their culture is very top notch. So I want to go to Germany, and
You are fond of?
I'm fond of traveling all over India. That's why.
So you want to become a nomadic? You want to become a globetrotter, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, when it comes to actor, who do you like the most?
I like the sir. I like Amir Khan.
Amir Khan.
Yes, sir.
Seriously?
Yes, sir. I like
So which,
very much.
what was the, which was your last movie in terms of Amir Khan, if I ask?
Sir, it's that Three Idiots movie,
Three
and
Idiots.
it is my very favorite movie as well.
So can you please tell our viewers what exactly like you was in Three Idiots, you witnessed in Three Idiots?
So Three
We want to know
Idiots.
the story.
Yeah, Three Idiots is a movie of three friends uh, that that living in a Imperial College of Engineering,
Right.
and they share their rooms in hostels.
Right.
That there are three friends named Raju Rastogi, Farhan Qureshi, and Rancho.
Right.
And Farhan Qureshi and Raju Rastogi are hails from modest background, and Rancho hails from opulent family.
Very nice.
But when it comes to Farhan Qureshi wants to become a wildlife photographer, but his father denied him, and he told him that you have to become an engineer. That's why he has to live up to his father's expectation, and he has joined Imperial College of Engineering. It is one of the best college in India, and Raju wants to uplift his family fortunes. That's why he has joined Imperial College, and actually that Rancho doesn't want to be a Rancho is not other students like other students, and he loves building machines. That's why he doesn't study theories only. He just focused what teacher taught us.
Well, speaking super, if I want to ask, what have you learned from this? Like, what have you learned from this movie?
So I have learned from this movie that always think positive. If you think positive, everything will be positive for you. And it has a famous dialogue, all is well. All it doesn't solve all problem, but it can gives us guts to face it. And
Excellence
then
one is also there, na? What Amir Khan quote.
yeah. There is a dialogue also that don't run behind the success, achieve excellence, run
Success will run.
success will run after you.
Excellent, loving you seriously. सो गाइज आप देख सकते हैं ये परफॉर्मेंस है चंचल की. मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है. इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू बिलीव कि ये वही चंचल है, बट यस शी इज़ द रियल चंचल. सो अगर आप कहीं लैग कर रहे हैं, इंग्लिश छोड़िए, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि पर्सनैलिटी में कोई कमी है, आप शर्माते हैं किसी भी तरीके से, आप हमारे पास में आइए. हम वही बोल रहे हैं कि हम आपकी आत्मा से इंग्लिश बुलवा देंगे. राइट, थैंक यू वेरी मच. सो चंचल, लाइक